I was browsing around on the internet and I came across this rather interesting claim by Better and Better Tech that they have some sort of pre-processing system that can increase the efficiency, the fuel efficiency of a car dramatically, and not really sure how they claim it works. So supposedly it uses water as an additive to improve fuel efficiency, but they have this claim down here at the bottom where they took a 318 V8 engine, attached it to a dynamometer, which is kind of like a torque thing that can measure the amount of energy produced by a system, and ran it at 3,000 RPMs at 50% load, and it consumed only 18 pounds of gas. And this was during the first run without the system. And then when they ran it with the system attached, it ran with only 2 pounds of gas. And this is quite a dramatic improvement. I think it's 800% increase. So I decided to do the computation to figure out what's going on here. And well, the 318 V8 engine has 132 horsepower, and if they ran it at 50% load, I'd guess that's like 66 horsepower, and that's like 51 kilowatts. So 51 kilowatts ran for a period of an hour, so that's 51 times 3600, which is 183 megajoules. Now 183 megajoules is our baseline figure here. 183 megajoules is how much we know that the engine produced, and we can measure that. So what we want to do is compare the amount of energy we know that the engine produced to the amount of energy we know it consumed in the form of fuel. So 18 pounds of fuel is 8 kilograms, and 8 kilograms of gasoline, based on its density of about 700 kilograms per meters cubed, that's about 11.1 liters. And when you take into account the fact that you have 34 megajoules per liter is the amount of energy produced by gasoline, and this varies about 4% based on the mixture. When you multiply that out, you get about 380 megajoules of energy just in the gasoline. So if you burn that off, if you burn that amount of gasoline off, you get 300 megajoules in the form of heat. So the engine, when without the system attached, gets 183 megajoules out, and it gets about 380 megajoules in. That's about 50% efficiency. Now they claim that they can get the same mileage on 2 pounds of gas with the same parameters, 50% low, 3,000 RPM. So I did the computation. 2 pounds of gas is about 0.9 kilograms, and 0.9 kilograms is about 1.23 liters, and 1.23 liters is about 42 megajoules. Now, when you take 183 megajoules and divide it by 42 megajoules, the result is 427%, which means that you put in 42 megajoules and you get out 183. It means you're doing something wrong with your math or your measurement, because you can't get more energy out of a system than you put into a system. So my thought is that either the guy's fabricated this or he's not conducted his research thoroughly. I guess it's just another pipe dream.